Hi, my name is Supriya Dhakal and I am from British College. So today I'm going to present my demo for object-oriented program. So let's start the demo. So let's start with requirement number 1. OP graphics.jar properly added to your project. So in your project, yes, OP graphics.jar is properly added to my project. So here it is. Project contains main cluster Java sets up OOP graphics correctly by extending OOP graphics, or you have moved on and done this in graphics system.java and you have made an object of this in main class.java. So this in your project, yes, I have made an object of this in main class.java. So it is main class.java. Correctly call the OOP graphics about method and the total animation is displayed. So your code and then show it running. So yes, this is it, and when I run it, total animation is displayed right here. Main class.java as a main method which creates an object of graphics system.java, and then all further processing is done from this object. So all of this in your project. So here is main class.java. So this is the code I have used in my project. The about method is called and the OOP animation appears when the user types about into the field or clicks the OK button. So in your code and the show total animation in response to typing about. So let's see the code first of all. So this is the code. So let's uncomment this one and comment rest of it. So let's try to run it and write about. So when I write about, OOP animation is appeared in the screen. So this is it. Now let's move on to requirement number 2. Pen down command working. We'll see if it work in a moment. So in your code. So first of all, let's see the code. So this is the code I've used for pen down. Now let's try it. So yes, pen down is working. Forward command works. You can take this if it works without a parameter. So let's try the forward code. Yes, it works. And this is the same forward 100. I just did that. Now backward command works. You can take this if it works with or without parameter. So yes, it works. So I'd like to show the code. Yeah, so here it is the forward code and here it is the backward code I just used. Turn left command works. You can take this if it works without a parameter. So yes, let's try it. Turn left 90 and then forward 100. Yes, it works. Let me show you the code. So here is the turn left code. And Yes, that's it. Now let's try turn right code. Turn right 90 and forward 100. Yes, it is. This is it. Turn right, here is the code I used for turn right. Pin up command working, type pin up and then turn right 90 and forward 100. So let's try it. Pin up, turn right 90 and forward 100. Yeah, and shape is displayed in the screen. So now moving on to the next, at least 4 color commands such as red command working. So it working by typing pin down, then red, and then forward 100. So let's try it. So yes, red color just appeared. So now I like to show clear code, clear command. Yes, it is right here, clear command. I like to show the clear code, and it is right here, clear code, and then reset. Yes, this is it, reset. Reset code is right here, which I've used. Now let's move on to requirement number 3. Type XXX and it should report that it is an invalid command. Yeah, invalid command. This is it. Type forward. Detect valid command with missing parameter. Type forward with no parameter. It should report that there is a missing parameter. Forward without parameter. Yes, it shows invalid command or missing parameter. This is the same. Now let's move on with requirement number 4. Saving. Save command works to save an image. Draw something with the triangle. Okay, let's try it. Now let's save the command. Sorry, spelling mistake. I'd like to save it. Command saved successfully. Now I would like to load the command. Which I have used. So yes, triangle 100. This is the command I have used. So load text of file. See, I just showed you the command I have used. A warning is displayed somewhere. Console dialog box if the current image is not saved and the display is not affected until the user answer yes. So let's try to clear it and see. Yes, the warning is displayed right here. It says the same. Now let's move on to requirement number 5. Override the about method so that it still does the same dance but appends a message that contains your name. Okay, let's try this one. First of all, let's comment this one out and uncomment this all. So this is the code that writes my name. So let's try it. When I write about, my name is displayed right here. Implement the square length command. Turtle should wander around the edge of the square and return to its original position. So here is the code I just used for square. Let's try it. Yeah, this is it. A paint red, green, blue comma that takes three parameters, one for red, one for green, and one for blue. Make an RGB color. Okay. Let's show the code first. So here is the code I just used right here. So let's try it. Yes. So let's try with red. Yeah, red. Let's clear this one. Let's try with pen color blue. Blue. Now let's try with pen color green. Yeah, this is it. I just showed you the three colors. Pen white. Yeah, so this is it. Pen with. So I would like to show the code. So here it is. Yes, this is the code I used. Now let's move on. Triangle. So I like to show the code of triangle that I used. So this is it. Let's try. Yes, triangle is made. Now let's try. For the triangle command, we specify three sides. Let's try the triangle with three sides. Triangle with three sides is made right here. So this is the code for it. This is the code I used for 3 sides of a triangle. So this is it. So I would like to end my demo here. Thank you.